budget, probably less than $3 grand in the whole thing.
Did you do this install yourself?
All this is
very nice. That looks good.
That is actually a, oh shit, let me hide that wire for you.
It's all good. I like it. That looks good.
It's that's a repurposed entertainment center.
Okay.
So these are the doors.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
There. So you already had the curve, no routing necessary.
Yes, sir.
And these were the side props that held it
There
up.
you go. That works good.
It's a complete budget build.
Are these at 1 ohm?
1 ohm, yeah.
Okay. All right. You're from Kentucky Outlaws.
Yeah.
All right.
Base Outlaws.
Okay, Base Outlaws. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. So what's your name real quick and what all's in here, man?
My name's Neal. I have 4 SCAR SDR dual 4 ohm subs, 12,
okay,
with 6.5 inch SCAR. I think they're TC 6.5, something like that.
Okay.
It's all budget, probably less than $3 grand in the whole thing.
Very nice. You built this into the vehicle?
I built everything, yes sir.
Wow, so you had to fabricate the angles and all of that. No slide in.
No slide in.
Wow. That looks really good.
I did all the fiberglass.
Okay, fully sealed on the sides, nice.
And I don't like this, so this is removable. It's actually magnets that hold it up.
Really? Okay.
So to compete in M2 with Mecca, you can't have any exposed sound under it. So I have to.
Yeah. Do you know your tuning on your 4th order?
It's about. So the box should be at 32 because it's built to spec for 32.
Okay.
And then this is right around 50s.
Okay. Did you do a SPL test?
I'm getting 151 consistently with a burp.
Yeah.
And then it's a 150.39 at the headrest in competition.
All right, that's good.
And that's clamping 2,900 watts.
Okay. Right.
So I'm feeling M2.
Yes, sir. How low are you playing down on it?
I like it like between 34, 35 is where it peaks.
Okay.
As far as a burp.
Yeah.
And,
all right.
Hang on, sorry, dude.
You're good.
For a certain song. There you go.
If a woodchuck could chuck wood, woodchuck could chuck wood, woodchuck could chuck wood. How much wood would the woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Woodchuck could chuck wood, woodchuck could chuck wood.
bandwidth frequency. It shows you your low response to your low 30s up to your 40, 50 is
love that
awesome.
stuff.
Yeah, man. Really nice job. Thank you for the demo.
Oh, thank you
What was
for
your
that.
name?
Neal Briggs.
Neal. All right. Give a thumbs up to Neal. Thanks for the demo, man.
Thank you.
Slamology 2022.
Right.
All right.